Welcome to the world of Babe Finance. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your financial journey, we're here to guide you step by step through the process of downloading, installing, and using the Babe Finance app, your journey into a simplified financial experience begins with a few straightforward actions that lay the groundwork for managing your assets securely and efficiently. To kick things off, visit the official Babe Finance website by opening your preferred browser and typing in www.babefinance.live. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken straight to our homepage, where easy navigation awaits. Look for the menu in the upper corner, represented by 3 dots, and click on it. This leads you to a treasure trove of resources, including the blog section, where you'll find valuable tutorials and guides tailored to enhance your experience. Our thoughts with Babe Finance. Next, don't skip watching the critical installation video. You'll find this in the blog section under How to Download the Babe Finance APK. This video is your first step advantage, providing you with a clear overview of the this download and installation process. Make sure you absorb the steps laid out so that the installation is as smooth as possible, ensuring you don't run into any bumps along the way. Once you're ready, know it's time to download the Babe Finance APK. Navigate back to the homepage. Find the APK download section and tap on Download Babe Finance APK. If your device prompts you with an option to install anyway, select it. Although some devices might label this differently, rest assured that the app is secure, verified by the Babe Finance team, and ready to be deployed on your device. Now that you've installed the app, it's time to jump in. Open the Babe Finance app, which may show up as AppBuzz Demo APK, and follow the prompts to sign up. Fill in your details. To create your account and log in with your new credentials. After this brief setup, you are all set to explore the powerful features of Babe Finance that promise to simplify your financial life and empower your decisions. And don't forget, as a token of our appreciation for downloading the app, you're eligible for exclusive rewards. Provide your exchange ID, email, or wallet address to claim your special gift. As you embark on this financial adventure, with Babe Finance, stay connected through our channels for updates. Community support. Thank you for joining us.